Yeah, hello, welcome guys. This is Austin. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox some items which I've ordered from the shop Plus. Let's open this and stay view this video. Let's start it. So, I'm having one box which I've ordered from the shop Plus. Basically, it's a combo of massagers, one ortho balm, and with mini foot massager. So, as per the shop Plus price, it is 494 rupees, but I get a discount of 151 rupees, plus I've used my 50 rupees of shop Plus bucks. So after that, after the subtraction, it's cost me of rupees 293. Without wasting any further time, we're just going to unbox this. So I've just simply cut and so here we have this. It's Ortho Balm, CASIRNEIST, powered by. Basically, it's by the government approved, so that patients may get the medicines at a less price. My dear friends, this is the basically Ortho Balm Premium Pain Relief Medicine technology licensed by CSIR NEIST. You can have a look of it, my dear friends. So this will be the packet of the balm which you will order from Shop Plus. Here we have my dear friends, the balm. Actually, it's a pain relief balm. Whoever is feeling a kind of like a ortho, feeling like in their joints, in their elbows, so they can go for it. Even it is effective in all kind of joints of our body. So basically, it will be helpful for our grandparents or our parents. And with this, I've ordered one. In this, I've ordered one packet as well of foot massager. Let's open this, house it. So I would like to appreciate the packaging of the Shop Plus, that they have really sent the packet safely by the bubble packing. Actually, this kind of bubble packing actually helps the product so that it may get safe from any kind of a damage or something. Let's open this. So this is basically our foot massager. My dear friends. So my dear friends, this is how it will work. We need to add 1, 2, 3 cells, AAA batteries. So my dear friends, I'm going to start this. I need to attach one cable with it. So from one side you will be able to see a kind of a USB, and from there you will be able to see a kind of a adapter kind of a thing. If you will remember, in our old times we used to use this kind of a charger in our Nokia or Motorola mobiles. So they have given one cable. So we will find that where do we have to put the cable. We are having two options. We can use this massager without putting any cell is there, and if we are not having any cell, so we can just simply put this cable, attached cable, which we get with this pack. I get this cable, my dear friends. So I just attach this cable with the charger. So from this side is it is USB type, and from this side this is the mobile chargers type. So my dear friends, I'm going to make you check as I'm going to use without the power. So my dear friends, this is our foot massager. We can give this to our elderly grandparents, even we can give this to our parents as well. So I would like you to invite everyone, you can go for it and have this. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is Austin. I'm going to unbox some items which I've ordered from the shop Plus for you. So without wasting any further time, we're going to unbox this. So stay with us. So my dear friends, this is our thing which I've ordered from the shop Plus. I'm going to read my invoice. So basically it's an Empower fast charging 2.4 ampere dual port mobile charger with detachable cable. So my dear friends, it's a detachable cable, my dear friends. So my dear friends, we have ordered one Empower charger. So basically, wow, very wonderful, beautiful packet. Let's unbox this. Let's open the box, and what we are getting here, we are getting one adapter of 5 watt and 2.4 ampere. We can attach 2 USB cables with it, plus we are getting one data cable of USB type. So it is compatible to use with Type C cable as well and with USB cable as well. So my dear friends, Plus price it is 89 rupees, but as I just get some discount from the shop Plus of rupees 15, and I use my 4 rupees of shop Plus bucks, so its total cost me of rupees 70. And you can see, friends, let's put this aside as well, and I'm going to unbox one more charger which I've ordered from the shop Plus. We'll put out the invoice. So as per the shop Plus price, it is of 69 rupees, but I get a discount of rupees 14, and I use my 2 rupees of shop Plus bucks, so it's cost me of rupees 53. So it's basically it's Empower USB adapter 1.5 ampere smart charger. Okay. Let's see we are getting with this USB cable or not, because they have mentioned that they are giving us 1.5 ampere adapter, but I just ordered on the shop Plus by seeing the picture of USB cable with the charger. So my dear friends, we are so lucky. So we get one USB type cable and one charger. So my dear friend, it's of 5 watt and it's 1.5 ampere. Let's put this aside as well. Okay my dear friends, so we are going to unbox one of the most famous item of the shop Plus, which every person have ordered this. Even I am also very fan of a Titan lead earphones, and when they launched the Titan leads, they start giving this by ₹1 in the promotional price. So only we just need to put SC deal, and we was getting this lead at the price of just ₹1. But right now I ordered this lead at 7 rupees. So in the market you will get this product at the price of mostly in 100 to 150 rupees. So this is how, my dear friends, the cable is. The quality is amazing, nice, and even they have given the lead with uh, sleeve as well. It's having a cloth sleeve, my dear friends. Let's put this aside as well. Whenever I have unboxed this lead, it's always works. And I have ordered this lead 8 times because I used to take this lead with me. So my friends also told me, Austin, what amazing lead. I want this. I simply say to them, I have ordered only just rupees 50. Say, wow. So as I just won this lead, I gifted to friends. Friends, we are going to unbox our last item, but not the least, of our Austin Sylvester the Singers. Your unboxing, friend unboxing. So we'll unbox this, the packet. So basically, my dear friends, I have ordered this for my brother. Expecting to receive an apple green t-shirt, but they send me a red color. It's okay, red color is also nice. And how is it? So my dear friends, I want to make you knowledge that I get this product at the price of, for what cost I just get this t-shirt. It's cost me of, as per the shop close price, it's of rupees 129, but I just get a discount of rupees 34, and I used my 4 rupees of shop close bucks. It's cost me of rupees 9. Let's open this. The box is also nice. We can use. I will transfer this box in my kitchen. I will give this. She will put a dal in it. So my dear friends, I want to say that it's having a very good quality of a t-shirt, having a very good color, and it's a double XL size t-shirt. So whenever you will go to get this kind of a t-shirt, you have to pay approximately 400 to 500 rupees for this t-shirt. So as also they have mentioned their price on a tag that it's rupees of 379. It's a branded t-shirt of Johnny Neck. It's an international brand of Outlaws. So it's having a good t-shirt, good quality, good cotton quality. It will be good for summers. Friends, this is all which was our unboxing, and I really appreciate that you really enjoy my unboxing. I hope that you may like it. I would like to say, please do like, subscribe to our channel.
यट्टा गैया शिव शिव नीवन्नी विन्ता